Hi guys, and welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're making a simple but creamy dish, pasta with ricotta cream and olives. It's ready in just 10 minutes, light, flavorful and so satisfying. Let's get started. Here is what you'll need. Pasta. I'm using penne, but any short pasta works. Creamy, fresh ricotta cheese. Kalamata olives, anchovy fillet, fresh parsley, chili pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. While the pasta cooks in salted water, let's prepare the sauce. In a pan, drizzle some olive oil and add the anchovies. Let them slowly melt. This is where all that rich, savory aroma starts. In the meantime, we can chop chili pepper. I cut it in half. Remove a part of the seeds. For the rest, I chop. Add a chopped chili pepper to the pan. Add a little pasta water if needed. Coarsely chop the olives. And add the olives to the pan. Add the ricotta. A little pasta water, and everything comes together into a creamy, silky sauce. When the pasta is ready, add it straight into the pan. Mix everything together until the pasta is beautifully coated and silky. I finish with a touch of fresh parsley. It adds colors, freshness, and that final Mediterranean touch. And here it is, pasta with ricotta cream and olives. Simple, creamy, and full of flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Mediterranean dishes, and tell us in the comments what Italian classic we should make next. See you soon and buon appetito!